สบายดีพี่น้อง hello everybody, this is galanga root. It's the same family like ginger, cumin, all those turmeric, the same thing. Some noodle soup and lao called kapun. Okay, this one is lam leaf. I put a lot. This one is a galanga slice. Okay, this one is lemongrass. I put like whole bunch like this, and after that I'm gonna add some this to the pot soup. Okay, I'm gonna add some MSG and salt. The first beginning, okay, and after that, after the pot is boiling, I'm gonna add some chicken. Oh, I'm gonna add some more water because I need you know, and kapun I make full of this part. Okay, and I like to use bottled water. You know why? Because I don't know, every time I cook I like to use the bottled water better. It's okay guys, I'm gonna add some chicken. And leave here until the chicken's cooked, and come back with me tonight because after I get out from work I'm gonna make a kapun. Okay, see, I think it's done already, and I'm gonna make tonight. I'm gonna turn off the heat now. Cover with this thing. น้ำหนาข้าวปุ้นเนาะ This is dry chili and red onion. I'm gonna saute this one about 2-3 minutes. Make a onion cook. I like a little bit spicy for my kapun, my soup. Smell good. A lot of chili, right? Okay, I think it's ready already. This is my part, okay? Kapun part. Nam ya ni na. The can. Why I add dry chili? Because I want spicy. This one I put half can. Like that. And some sugar. And salt, mix a little bit. Add some lam leaf, a little bit. And add some coconut, about 3 tablespoons of this. Okay. Why you need to add like that? Because you want, you know, when you make na kapun na, you have to have a 2 layer, and this one can come up like really nice color, you know, and medium heat, and continue to saute till that you see the 2 layer in the pot, and you turn off. Come up the 2 layer right now, but you can continue to boil more, and it's more better, you know, and more taste better too. Yeah. Really nice, really creamy. Okay guys, this is done. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Okay, see, after that I'm gonna add some coconut. Okay, 3 tablespoons, and I saute the น้ำหนาข้าวปุ้น Okay, the soup start boiling now, and I'm gonna add some creamy from the I sauteed before. This one, maybe 2. I need a bigger part, right? The sapper looks yummy, right? I don't like to use a lot of coconut because my stomach's not that good. This one and this noodle, I gonna bring for Chan Peng some because I told him I gonna make the Khao Poon for him. And Chofi because I miss my hometown. I gonna add 1 for chicken. You don't need to use a lot. If you make fish, but fish it really smell, you know, you add a little bit more. And I've been thinking this one is really light. I'm gonna add some salt and sugar a little bit. Let me see after I add anchovy and how it go. I need more sugar and salt. This is salt. I add 1 more sugar. And just wait until boiling, and I can add some lime leaf more because I like to add a little bit more after I turn off the heat. You know why? It make more flavor and smells so good too. Let me taste this one. Very yummy. มันเป็นฟอร์ดนะนี่นะ you know ตักออกก็ได้ okay แบบ you don't need to keep this thing but don't take out a lot because มันมีอันน้ำหนามันจะออกมานำนะ you know the color gonna come out too. Lime leaf I gonna add some more. Okay. It's boiling now and you turn off the heat, it's fine. But if you wanna continue boil about 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, it's okay for you. And after this, I gotta go wrap egg roll for Rachel. That's for my godmother, Rachel's mom, and I'm gonna make egg roll for her today. I mix everything already. I don't show you how to make that, but I'm gonna go wrap and deep fry and bring for her before I go to the appointment. Alright guys, see you. Wrap egg roll with me, okay? Bye. How to wrap egg roll? Use 1 and get like this much, okay? You wanna use the big one or small one? Do the big one or small one, except to you. But I like to do this side. And make a tight, okay? If you don't make a tight, the oil go inside. Gonna be not good. Too much oil. And block the yellow egg and glue in here like this. Okay? Continue to wrap until this thing gone. Like this. Like that, okay? Okay guys, I'm gonna continue to do this and until done. Then I'm gonna deep fry. I'm gonna show you how to deep fry the egg roll, okay? Okay guys, I deep fry is done egg roll. I'm gonna bring to Rachel's house. Alright guys, if you wanna know how to make egg roll, or follow Naly kitchen, okay? And See you guys later. Bye. Have a good weekend.